Hello and welcome to the It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to insert SIM card to POCO M3 phone. The SIM tray is on the left side. We insert pin key here, push until it's like this. We have 3 slots, 2 for SIM cards, 1 for memory card. We simply put SIM card in one or two slot. Gently push it back. It's very easy to break. And we can see the card is inserted. That's all. I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Goodbye.